In Fast Track Help Desk and PPM, much of our work is done by selections from the ribbon menu. We also have a report bar that we can show and hide at any time. This allows us to organize information such as buildings, sites, customers, and contractors, and we can tile the information to take advantage of large screens. The Data tab is where we update background information, such as for buildings. Now let's take a look at the call logging view, which is where we log calls as they are reported. We can see location and type information, and if we make a new call, we can see that our default customer is Ambercom, and this is being reported by Derek Ballum. The software has figured out where he works, and we're going to say this is an urgent call of air conditioning type. We double click in the description box to get common problems. This is a thermostat problem. The software has decided upon our SLA figures because it knows the work type, the location, and who the contractor is. When we click Save, the call will be emailed to people automatically. You can see the Outlook pop up there as the emails are sent. And now if we switch to Outlook, we can actually see some emails in the outbox which would have actually already been sent out. So within seconds of the call being recorded, the contractor receives instructions and the caller receives a confirmation. When we click on the review grid, we can see the details above. Now let's take a look at the work monitor, which is where we monitor and update work. Again, if we click on the rows, we can see the details above, and we can see the job we just created. If we organize the screen so we maximize the work monitor view, this is where we update. So if we update a job to responded to, the service provider has responded to the job. We can see the emails going out. This time we'll change the Cardiff job to completed. If we switch to Outlook, we can see the responded and completion notification emails. So once again, the caller will have received confirmation that their job is completed. So far we've been looking at Windows desktop software. Virtually all the functionality is available in the web version, and this information can be seen anywhere in the city or anywhere in the world. So importantly, service providers can update their own work, and the loggers of calls can monitor progress. Here we click on a job and we update it to responded to, confirm that, and we can see that the color of the job has changed to the responded to color. Now if we go back to the Windows desktop software and requery, we can see the status change, which could have been made across the city or across the world. This can also be made by service providers with smartphones for their engineers.